Foldable phones have been around for a while, but they haven't exactly taken over like everyone hoped. But Huawei is changing that with the Huawei Pura X. And trust me, this is the game changer we've been waiting for. Forget the usual tall and narrow 22.9 aspect ratio of other flip phones. The Pura X flips the script by offering a wider 16.10 screen. This gives you a much better experience for videos, browsing, and multitasking. It actually feels like a real smartphone when open. With this new aspect ratio, those annoying black bars around videos are almost gone, making your viewing experience way more immersive. This is a much-needed upgrade in the foldable world. And here's another win. The Pura X packs a 4,700 mAh battery. That's 20% more than the Galaxy Z Flip 6. More power means longer screen time and less need to search for a charger. Now, here's where Huawei really blows it out of the water. A triple camera setup with a 3.5x telephoto lens. Samsung, after 7 generations of flip phones, still hasn't figured this out. If you love zoom photography, the Pura X has you covered. But not everything is perfect. It's China exclusive for now, so if you're not in China, tough luck. It runs on Huawei's HarmonyOS, so no Google Play or Android apps. Big deal if you're invested in Google services. And it's expensive, priced over $1,000 in China. If it goes global, expect a 20% price hike. Despite those drawbacks, the Huawei Pura X proves foldables still have room to grow. It's a major step forward in design and functionality, pushing the entire industry to evolve. Will Samsung take notes? Time will tell, but the Pura X shows that flip phones can finally make sense. If you're excited about this innovation, drop a like and subscribe for more tech updates.